Hey, good afternoon, everybody. This is Kevin Ray, KevinRay5280.com. Going to take a look at Beacon Point subdivision here. This is out on, we're on Smoky Hill Road, the very southeast end of it, and up right at Aurora Reservoir. So this is a nice little neighborhood subdivision here. We're going to turn in. So if you've seen any of the others neighborhoods we've done, this is out near South Shore, actually just borders South Shore on one side. Homes in Beacon Point, they range, some of them are in the low or mid threes, so around 330, 350-ish they start out, but they have a tendency to creep up to into the 700-800 at times, some of the larger homes. Gorgeous neighborhood, very well maintained for the most part. I guess there's always an exception, but location is nice. It's right next to Southland Shopping Center and all the restaurants and whatnot in there. Over here, so we've got a nice park space. There's playgrounds. Kids are always out there. Families are always out there. You can just maybe see, I probably can't see on the GoPro, but these houses in front of us where the road turns to the left, the reservoir, Aurora Reservoir, is peeking up right there between those roof lines. So we'll go take a closer look at that here in a second. So, good mix of multi-level, so 2-story, 2.5-story ranch style homes. There's so a little something for everybody. But I think the homes, in my opinion, the homes out here really have some good character. When they I don't know, good looking, attractive neighborhood for sure. Quite a few homes for sale. Beacon Point, not much building going on that I'm aware of. I think there is a little bit, but most of the homes are a few years old, 5-6 years old, and quite a few of them are now back on the market for sale. So quite a lot of opportunity out here to purchase. So we're going to go straight across here. This is going to take us up to the right up to the homes along the along the lake. So we're on Millbrook is the is the street. You can see over here. So on the left, this green space, there's kind of a walkway that winds throughout the neighborhood and ends up right here at the reservoir and to the walking path into the reservoir, and you can see it. You can see the lake there in front of us. Go up this way. People have a tendency to park right along here, along the park. So always cars there. But some nice big homes here. These over here on the right, these back up to the reservoir. Nice 4 or 5 bedrooms, full basements on probably all of them, if not just most of them. Community center right here. Go in. Now they've got it's not a big pool, but they've got a really nice pool. Out in the back there's kind of a gymnasium, or not gymnasium, but a gym in here. And so the pool, the deck of the pool looks out over the reservoir, which is kind of cool. Also some tennis courts right there behind the black fence. Got a water slide in the pool. See if maybe we can see down there. Not open. There we go. So anyways, decent pool. Nothing to, yeah, it's better than nothing, I suppose. And the facilities are kept in excellent condition. So, so that's nice. You would expect that in you know, in a neighborhood in this price range. You know, everything. My folks actually live in this neighborhood, so I spent a lot of time here. I know it very well, and know a few of the people out here, and really is a cool place to live. And I love the fact that you know, it's new, and you know, a lot of families, so there's a lot of activity, a lot of stuff going on, kind of a vibrant community out here. Yeah, so you can see kids playing all over the place. No shortage of stuff going on. So that is it. It is, again, Beacon Point out along, it's on Smoky Hill Road, southeast end of it, right at Aurora Reservoir. Homes out here have a tendency, like I said, to be, you know, they start the low end, you know, mid 300,000, and they go as high as you want from there. So, you know, quite a few homes on the market in the 500,000-600,000 range. Some of them up in the 7s, so potentially 8. So that's it. There's quite a lot of green space out here, which I love. So it's kind of a little bit of it's open. You got all this green space with the pathways you can walk. You know, wheelchair friendly. You know, mobility scooter, you know, friendly. So yeah, it's really an ideal location. Quick access to E470 toll road. Easy, quick access to Arapahoe Road, Smoky Hill Road, Gun Club. So all the, you know, all your major commuting arteries out here are just right, you know, just minutes away, blocks away. So again, thank you very much. This is Kevin Ray with KevinRay5280.com, and we just finished checking out Beacon Point along Smoky Hill Road out near Southland Shopping Center. Thank you very much. We'll see you another time, another place.